Building a PC on a budget doesn't mean skimping on the case. Here's a quick rundown of the top 5 best budget PC cases in 2024. 5. Asus Prime AP20101. The Prime AP21 stands out as a distinctive PC case offering from the brand. Featuring mesh panels on all sides, it not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures efficient airflow, starting at just $80. If cooling capability is your priority, the Prime AP21 might be your top choice among micro ATX cases. Its key feature lies in its all-mesh design, facilitating maximum airflow despite its compact size. With ample space to accommodate high-end components, including GPUs up to 338mm long, CPU coolers up to 170mm tall, and PSUs up to 180mm in length, it can house top-tier hardware effortlessly. Additionally, it supports radiators up to 360mm long, allowing for easy integration of a 360mm AIO cooler. The front panel features a USB Type-C connector supporting speeds of up to 10 GB per second, along with 2 USB Type-A ports and microphone and headphone jacks conveniently located at the front. In summary, if prioritizing airflow and cooling performance is crucial for your case selection, the Prime AP21 stands as one of the best micro ATX options available. 4. Montech Air 903 Max. Montech's A903 Max disrupts the budget market, proving that affordability doesn't mean skimping on features. Its expansive mesh front ensures superior airflow, complemented by 4 pre-installed 140mm fans, 3 with vibrant RGB illumination. Offering ample clearance for large GPUs and accommodating up to 5 SSDs and 2 3.5-inch hard drives, it's a storage powerhouse. While cable management could be smoother, the included ARGB and fan controller elevate its value, making it an ideal choice for cooling demanding PCs on a budget. 3. NZXT H5 Flow. The H5 Flow stands as an affordable, compact mid-tower ATX PC case, available in either all-white or all-black. Boasting a mesh front panel for optimal airflow and 2 pre-installed 120mm fans, it accommodates large GPUs efficiently. Notably, one of the fans is angled at the bottom to enhance airflow specifically for the graphics card, ensuring peak performance over extended periods. With 1 3.5-inch and 2 2.5-inch drive bays, it prioritizes compactness without compromising functionality. Featuring a cable management system and a tempered glass side panel, it offers both organization and style. The top panel hosts the front I/O, including a USB-A port, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack, with a detachable dust filter safeguarding the top 280mm fan and radiator area. Despite limitations on additional radiators and storage, the NZXT H5 Flow is ideal for compact gaming setups with high-powered graphics cards. 2. Cooler Master Box NR600. Finding an affordable case with adequate ventilation can be challenging, but the NR600 manages it decently. Its sleek and minimalist design blends well with any environment, constructed from steel, polycarbonate, and tempered glass, weighing just under 15 pounds. Supporting GPUs up to 410mm in length and CPU coolers up to 166mm tall, it offers various cooling options, including up to 360mm radiators on the front. Dust filters are provided at the top and bottom, with space for up to 4 3.5-inch drives and 5 2.5-inch drives. Front ports include 2 USB-A 3.0 and a 3.5mm HD audio jack, though there's no USB-C port, which is typical for a sub-$100 case. In summary, the Masterbox NR600 is a reasonably priced mid-tower case that nails all the essentials. 1. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow stands out as an excellent option for those seeking a sub-$100 case, renowned for its durability. Despite being nearly 4 years old, its solid reputation keeps it popular. Featuring a robust airflow design with a mesh front panel, it facilitates easy airflow movement throughout the case. Equipped with 2 120mm fans, it accommodates various radiator and fan configurations, including up to a 360mm radiator at the front and a 280mm radiator at the top. Corsair excels in cable management, offering multiple channels for neat organization using cable ties or Velcro ties. While the 4000D provides decent internal space, it lacks significant GPU clearance, potentially causing issues with current NVIDIA and AMD offerings. The I/O panel, located at the top, includes a single USB 3.0 port alongside a Type-C connector with a combined mic or headphone jack, though accessing it may require reaching around the back. Overall, Corsair's Obsidian 4000 series delivers a sleek, minimalist aesthetic at an affordable price, suitable for the majority of ATX systems. Stay tuned, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel.